In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Milanote subscription. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in, I want you to go to the top right corner where you can see a gear icon that says settings. Here, just click the settings, the red button, and you will be forwarded to your account. Scroll down until you find the option that says billing. Okay? If you don't have it, that means you are using a free trial or a free account, which I am using right now. Okay? But if you see the billing section, especially if you are subscribed to a plan, this is where you can manage all of the subscription and payment details. Now, under the billing section, okay, click the manage subscription. You will see your current plan. In my case, I have the option to upgrade to a different plan. But if you are subscribed to any of the following right here, okay, you will see your current plan, billing cycle, and renewal date. All I have to do is super simple. Cancel subscription, then follow the on-screen prompt. Okay? It's super simple, and of course, confirm your cancellation when asked and click the continue button. Now, before canceling, make sure to check your renewal date. Canceling before the renewal helps you avoid extra charges, and you still have access to your plan until the end of the billing period. Now, if you are having issues about canceling your account here at Milanote, the last option that you can go is go to the top right corner, click the question mark section that says help. Now message the support team and tell them you are having issues canceling your subscription here in Milanote. And basically that's it for today's video on how to cancel Milanote subscription. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.